Welcome to the instructional video for JustEngineers CV Search. Once you're logged onto your client homepage, you can start searching for CVs. Here, we'll show you how to use Boolean searching to get the most out of your candidate search. Do your searches currently look like this? Or this? And are you getting broad results like this? A common mistake is only searching in the job title or main skills field, which will only find candidates that have populated these fields during registration and will therefore restrict the number of CVs returned. Or, do your searches currently look like this? The good thing about JustEngineers is that you only need to search in the Search Candidate CV field using Boolean to get the best results. Writing your searches using the correct queries will ensure that you get the most relevant CVs. Let's get started with the basics. Most common searches involve the word "and" to separate two or more essential keywords. Searching engineer and construction will only find CVs that contain both the words engineer and construction. If engineer appears but construction doesn't, that CV won't be retrieved. You can use a comma to separate keywords that are desirable rather than essential. Using OR does the same job. So searching engineer or construction will retrieve any CV that contains either keyword. To search for an exact phrase like civil engineer, you need to include quotation marks so that only CVs with the words civil engineer written together appear in your results. If a CV includes the words civil and engineer separately, it won't be retrieved. Using brackets around desirable keywords will lock that part of the search together, so the database knows only to retrieve CVs that contain at least one or more of the desirable keywords in the brackets along with the rest of your search query. Using a mixture of these techniques will give the best results. Start by breaking everything down into sections: job title, and sector, and skills, qualifications or previous companies. Let's go through some examples to see how these search techniques can work together. Example 1. You are searching for a mechanical engineer with design skills and experience with either one of these software packages and experience of working in a particular company. Here you put mechanical engineer in quotation marks to search these words together as a job title rather than individually. Include "and" to indicate that you are looking for a mechanical engineer with design experience. It's important that the desirable keywords are featured in a bracket to show it's a separate part of the search. Then finalize the query with your chosen company names, again in brackets to show you're looking for either one of the companies listed in addition to the rest of your search criteria. Remember, we also need to list each company in quotation marks if longer than one word. Example 2. If you were looking for a project manager or project engineer with either power or energy or nuclear experience, you would start your query by including both job titles in brackets, so the database knows to search for one or the other. Include speech marks around each of them, so you search for project manager as a whole keyword. Then finish the query with "and" power or energy or nuclear to search for CVs that contain either project manager or project engineer, and at least one of the other keywords. Now let's see how your keywords are displayed in your results. You can save or modify your search using the links at the top of the page. This is the number of CVs that match your criteria. Here is the date that the candidate uploaded their CV. Remember, if a candidate decides to set their CV live today but hasn't edited it, the date will remain the upload date, not today's date. See who last viewed this CV and when it was sent in a CV watchdog to someone in your company. View your search results by clicking on the highlighted text option. This will open a new window and will show the CV in full, highlighting relevant keywords matching your search query. If you want to view the full CV and this is not part of your contract, contact your account manager to purchase CV credits. You can email the CV to yourself or to someone else in the company. Skip to the next CV. And email the candidate or add to your shortlist. You also have the option to view the full CV in Microsoft Word. So, to quickly refresh. To get the best results, carry out a Boolean search in the Search Candidate's CV for box. You can refine your search by specifying a candidate's current location. You can enter multiple locations by separating each one with a comma. Using AND in a query allows you to search for 2 or more keywords that are relevant to your search. Remember that using AND means both words need to appear in a CV. Placing a comma or using the word OR between keywords allows you to search for any of the keywords. Only one of your keywords needs to be found for a CV to appear in your search results. Placing speech marks around keywords will allow you to search for an exact phrase or job title. Including desirable keywords in brackets makes those keywords a separate part of your search. Finally, should you wish to exclude keywords in your Boolean search, you can do so by including the word not. Need more help or want to find out how you can get relevant CVs straight to your inbox? Call the team on 0844 561 9340 or email sales@justengineers.net to get the most out of your candidate search.